So today, though, what we're here for is we're concerned about the case of the People versus Aurora Quicho. And essentially, Aurora was meeting with a car salesman, and it was understood that she was paying with a private check, which implies that it's on a closed account, because an open account is public, closed account is private. She was paying for it with a private check. They, of course, did not really understand that, but it didn't matter, because what they did understand was that she would not take delivery of the product until they received the funds. Okay? That's the key thing right there. So this is not a case of going in and stealing from somebody or writing a bad check to get something. That's not it at all. It's a special kind of check, special procedures, and the procedures have to be followed. If you don't follow the procedures, it's not going to work. So she let them know that. They agreed to that. Unbeknownst to her, they called the cops. And while they were in the middle of their negotiations, and I think she had a check partially written, the cops showed up and arrested her, charged her with 4 different charges. One of them was commercial burglary, which is obviously wrong right on the surface of it. There's no burglary here. So she, when they arrested her, they got bail out of her. She paid bail. She got out. Then she was back in. They revoked bail. You know, it got kind of complicated. All right, so on the Quicho case, basically every step of the way, we had an apparent failure. You look at it and you say, well, okay, the judge rules against us, they ignore us, and so forth. Our latest thing is that we filed with the court a bench warrant for the arrest of one of the judges. We picked the last judge that had sat on the criminal case.